Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a TD Bank checking account. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the key concepts and practical steps to help you manage your account effectively. First, let's start with the basics. A TD Bank checking account is a type of deposit account that allows you to store and manage your money. To get started, you will need to open a checking account at a TD Bank branch or online. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, as well as make an initial deposit to fund your account. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card and checks, which you can use to access your money. You can also set up online banking and the TD Bank mobile app to manage your account remotely. To do this, simply visit the TD Bank website or download the app, and follow the prompts to register for online banking. Now, let's talk about how to use your account. To deposit money, you can visit a TD Bank branch, use an ATM, or set up direct deposit. You can also transfer money from another account or use the mobile deposit feature on the TD Bank app. To withdraw money, you can use your debit card at an ATM, write a check, or use the TD Bank app to transfer money to another account. It's also important to keep track of your account activity and balance. You can do this by checking your account online, using the mobile app, or receiving paper statements. To avoid overdrafts, make sure to keep enough money in your account to cover your transactions. You can also set up overdraft protection, which transfers money from a linked account to cover any overdrafts. In addition to these basic features, TD Bank checking accounts also offer a range of benefits, including no monthly maintenance fees, no ATM fees, and rewards programs to get the most out of your account. Be sure to take advantage of these benefits and use your account regularly. Best practices for using your TD Bank checking account include regularly checking your account activity, keeping your account information up to date, and using the mobile app to stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and benefits of your TD Bank checking account, you can manage your money effectively and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, using a TD Bank checking account is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and planning. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can open and manage your account, use the key features and benefits, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always keep track of your account activity, use your account regularly, and take advantage of the benefits and rewards programs offered by TD Bank.